On a blustery day, we're going to stay inland and take a trail walk around the Gulf. Hi, I'm Matt, and welcome to another edition of Borders on Budgets. On this episode, we are in Puerto Piramides, Argentina, a village known for its whale watching. Today, we'll be on the lookout for other marine wildlife.
Hi, I'm Matt, and welcome to this pack of matches, and thank you very much for tuning in.
Seems like this should be on the Blair Witch.
Next episode. What a reminder, Borders on Budgets.
Glad to see the kite surfers are able to take advantage of very favorable conditions for their pastime on an extremely windy day in eastern Argentina. Surrounding the village of Puerto Piramides is its new Gulf, a body of water flowing from the Argentinian Sea itself, a body of water coming from the South Atlantic Ocean. I can barely hold on to my camcorder. I can't imagine the strength required to hold on to a kite surf in gale force conditions. Puerto Piramides is at the entrance to the Argentinian Valdes Peninsula, a 3,600 square kilometer natural reserve as recognized by UNESCO. Puerto Piramides, with its population of under 1,000, is known for its whale watching and other marine wildlife. Before taking a hike along the trail surrounding the new Gulf, I've got to find out what the speed of this wind is today. ¿Qué es la velocidad del viento hoy?
Cuando hay temporal, hay vientos fuertes. Son 60 kilómetros por hora. La
Wow,
velocidad del viento.
es fuerte, está fuerte.
Sí, está fuerte.
Just outside of Puerto Piramides, which in this case doesn't take long, is the Loberia Trail that will take us around the village and also around Nuevo Golfo, the new Gulf. Upon first glance, it would appear a loberia would have something to do with wolves. And what would wolves be doing along a large body of water? But as we will find out, lobos around a large body of water takes on a different context. I hate to complain, but would it be so much as to ask as for a better sign giving directions? It should be of paramount importance when posting signs for a hike, especially in a wilderness, to at least have the semblance of good directions. Does this look like we know exactly where we should be going once we get to this junction? Yeah, I thought not. We're gonna guess to go to the left. Couldn't somebody from Puerto Piramides come up here on their day off and just slap on a coat of paint saying which way we should go? Next man fix, I suppose. Except for Puerto Piramides and its triple-digit population, the Valdes Peninsula in its 3,600 square kilometers is barren territory. I can't speak for the geological features of this land, but boy, would it ever make a treacherous golf hole. Here's a curious sign stating that people should stay in their vehicle. What does that say for hikers? If this sign is to prevent people from descending down this trail, which is not meant for hikers, fair enough. But don't ask the sign to keep people in their vehicles when otherwise they're encouraged to walk on the road anyway. I've been told about the strength of Patagonia's winds. Puerto Piramides is about halfway between Buenos Aires, the Argentinian capital, and Ushuaia, the southern tip of the South American continent. So Puerto Piramides is at the north end of Patagonia. Meanwhile, today's hike will just take us to the bottom of this hill. There is no way, I mean no way, these winds are just 60 kilometers an hour. There they are, lobos marinos, sea lions. Undoubtedly, the protection of the cove at Golfo Nuevo would be a reason why these sea lions have found a sanctuary here. It's hard to believe, given their shape, that adult sea lions, the males, are only 350 kilograms, while the females weigh about half that size. With their layers of fat, sea lions are well protected against harsh environmental conditions. From an extremely gusty Loberia along the Golfo Nuevo, this has been another edition of Borders on Budgets. A reminder, Borders on Budgets, long distance hikes, slices of life, not a lot of money. From Puerto Piramides, Argentina, thank you for tuning in, and I look forward to seeing you on the next episode. Ooh, tunnel! It's a tunnel! Oh, how neat! Woo, woo! Does this look like we know in which direction we should go when coming to this crossroads? Yeah, I gotta guess we're going that way. Did you like this episode? Good! Help Borders on Budgets. Hit the subscribe button below, and don't forget to share this story with your friends.